Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. The Turkish Defense Ministry stated that over 20 militant targets of the Kurdistan Workers' Party were destroyed through the aerial strikes conducted by Turkey in northern Iraq and Istanbul. The capital of Turkey, Ankara, had witnessed a bomb attack on a government building on October 1, where 2 police officers were injured. The Kurdistan Workers' Party had claimed responsibility for the attack. On October 2nd, the report of the caste-based census conducted in Bihar was released. The backward class in Bihar is 27.13%, the extremely backward class is 36.01%, and general category is 15.52%. While the total population of Bihar is more than 13 crores, according to Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, the caste-based census not only revealed people's caste but also their economic circumstances. Bihar is the first state to release a caste census. Prime Minister Narendra Modi commends Cassandra Mays-Pittman from Germany for the heartfelt rendition of the Mahatma Gandhi's beloved bhajan Vaishnava Janato on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Sharing a video on X, formerly known as Twitter, Modi highlights the global resonance of Gandhi's teachings. Due to the lack of basic amenities, students at the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad, have been protesting by not attending classes from the past 6 days. Students have complained about a shortage of water, non-functioning of washing machines, poor internet connectivity, overcrowded hostels, and harassment from management for failing to meet 85% of attendance requirement to take the exams. Despite the fees being Rs 4 lakh per annum for each student, all these problems still exist. During a rally in Chittorgarh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi strongly criticized the Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government, accusing it of ruining Rajasthan over the past 5 years. He expressed concern over the state's high crime rate, particularly crimes against women. PM Modi assured that the BJP will bring back a government that will work towards the state's progress and hold the mafia accountable for the alleged paper leak. Dalveer Suri, one of the co-founders of the Dunzo, quit the delivery platform on October 2nd. In addition, there will be an organizational-wide restructuring from this quarter. The Reliance Industries-backed startup has been unable to secure funding recently, leading to multiple rounds of layoffs, salary cuts, and 50% reduction in dark stores. Dunzo hasn't announced Suri's replacement as of yet. The women's 3,000-meter steeplechase final saw Parul Chaudhary and Preeti Lamba take home the silver and bronze medals respectively. In the mixed relay, the quartet of Mohammad Ajmal, R. Vidya Ramraj, Rajesh Ramesh, and Subha Venkatesan won the bronze medal. India's Ansi Sojan won silver in women's long jump final after a jump of 6.63 meters. Meanwhile, the Indian women's basketball lost against North Korea and stepped down from the quarterfinals at the Asian Games. India's medal tally stands at 60 with 13 golds. Nobel Prize in Medicine awarded for mRNA vaccine breakthrough. Katalin Kariko and Drew Weissman have been awarded the Nobel Prize in the Medicine for their groundbreaking discoveries that paved the way for the development of high-effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19. The prestigious prize carries a cash award of 11 million Swedish kronor, which is equal to $1 million. Apple has blamed the overheating of its new iPhone 15 on a bug in its operating system and updates to apps such as Instagram, Uber, and Asphalt 9. Recently, hundreds of users complained that the new iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max get unusually hot to touch. Users even took to social media to complain about the overheating. Additionally, Apple has denied the claims of overheating due to the hardware. After the South African comedian Trevor Noah's Bengaluru show got cancelled due to technical reasons, the comedian roasted the arrangements in his Mumbai show. In a purported video clip uploaded on YouTube, he said that he missed his sound check because he was stuck in a car for 2 hours in Bengaluru. The venue was not prepared for his performance and the audience could not hear him clearly. Trevor Noah's show has been the talk of the town, with netizens roasting the major traffic issues of Bengaluru. Well, that's it for today. For latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.